Hey guys, it's me, P-Titus. Today, I'm going to show you how to mix crisp clean vocals on LMMS, a free DAW using free plugins. I urge you to watch this video from beginning to the end because at the end, I will show you my plugin settings and where you can download them for free. If this is your first time here, please check my playlist under LMMS. You may see something fascinating.
Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people.
As you can see, this is a raw or mixed vocal. The first thing to do is to assign this vocal to a new effects channel.
Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you
The first plugin I added was the LMMS equalizer.
Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day.
I also added a plugin called DSP-2, which is all in one. It has EQ, compressor, amplifier, saturation, and reverb.
Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away.
There's another LMMS factory plugin called DJ EQ, which has 3 knobs that can significantly improve your vocal.
What you facing? There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you
I added a de-esser to get rid of sibilance.
care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care.
And the reverb plugin to make the vocal sit well in the mix.
Live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing.
I also added a mastering plugin called After.
Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day.
And another plugin called de-doubler, which doubles the vocal and makes it sound fuller.
Be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away.
You know that LMMS doesn't support VST3, but this plugin called Element can allow you to run VST3 plugins inside LMMS. As you can see, I added a plugin called Autotune Pro, which is a VST3 plugin.
waiting, got people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing.
Comparing the unmixed vocal and the mixed vocal.
Please don't take your life away. Think of people
You can see the differences.
to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that
I'm done with the vocal. Now let's move to the master channel rack. The task is to make sure the instrumental blends with the vocal.
depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people
I will add a compressor, an equalizer, and lastly a delay plugin on the vocal.
Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day. Depression, anxiety might be what you're facing. There are people that do care. Please don't take your life away. Think of people around, live to fight another day.
The plugins used are being displayed on the screen. Check the comments for download link. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel at P-Titus Concepts. Thanks for watching. Bye.